Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to have a full Samsara tutorial for beginners. Let's begin. Now, for those who are not familiar, Samsara is a company that provides software and insights for physical operation. Now, from here, you can discover the power of Samsara technology, and you might want to be interested to check the prices. And from here, to better understand your business needs, you have to choose the industry that you're in. Is it going to be fleet, equipment, sites, and buildings? But for now, let's click on sites. And you have to choose on next so they could be better provide this specific service that they can offer. Now, you have to choose the company size, say for example 10 to 100. Let's click on that. And again, it's up to you, but for now, let's click on the construction and click on next. And all I have to do is just provide your email, and you would have a simple code about the products and prices that they could offer to you. Okay. Now, when you hover here in the product sections, as you can see, you can have a platform overview. You see, they have intuitive and easy to use unified platform that can run all your operations from one place, right? And you have an access for the real-time visibility that can get actionable insights across your workflows, vehicles, assets, and facilities. There's a lot that you can do, plus the workflows and reporting, because you can streamline workflows and make data-driven decisions with the best-in-the-class UX. Not only that, they also offer the ecosystem wherein you can stay connected with seamless integrations and the largest partner ecosystem in the industry. Now, when you go again to the products, when you click on apps and driver workflows, you would be able to see the prices, but here you can streamline the driver experience in the cab and beyond, because again, you have a unified platform plus an ELD, safety and productivity. You can bring together all your systems in one app. Now, they offer a mobile experience management, which simplifies the mobile management for safer and more efficient operation. It offers an end-to-end visibility, so you can see your Android devices in the same dashboard as the rest of your operation. You can have a remote access. You can quickly connect and control devices to minimize downtime when issues arise. You also have an option to customize and tailor the mobile experience for in-cab safety and field productivity right here, right? So when you do that, you can manage apps and devices at scale to streamline operations. When you click this option right here, you can add applications from Google Play Store, add private apps, add web apps, and add by package name. So that means you don't need the code configuration, and you can easily create and edit device policies to ensure employees have access to the right apps and settings for their job. All right, so there's a lot that you can do. But in terms of the remote customer support, you can troubleshoot and train remotely to unlock employer productivity, see what the devices can save time troubleshooting and training workers, no matter where they are. So there's a lot that you can do in Samsara platform, especially on the remote side. Now, in terms of the advanced display settings, you can reduce mobile distractions to keep drivers safe, which is very important nowadays. In the focus mode, you can automatically restrict access to non-essential apps and silence notifications for vehicles in motions, as you can see from the example here below. That means they meet the quality or the high standard for quality service while maintaining focus and safety, right? Now, when we go to the equipment monitoring, the insights can give an action across your entire equipment fleet. You can have a location tracking right here. You have a utilization reporting. You can have a preventive maintenance, billing, and job costing. You can gain 360-degree visibility across hard-to-reach sites right here, which is very important when you are in the construction field of industry, and get the most out of every piece of equipment. You can have an access to the utilization reporting. It can reduce obviously costs associated with the buying and leasing equipment, as you can see, and you can streamline maintenance with powerful diagnostics. When you click on the equipment diagnostics, you would have a single platform for your fleet operations. As you can see, you can optimize the fleet operation with real-time data because Samsaras have the second GPS and vehicle diagnostics give you best-in-class visibility to improve route performance, fleet efficiency, and customer service. As you can see, you can have a real-time ETA here that displays on your monitor. You can have a GPS, fleet, and trailer tracking. You also have an option to gain access on the remote vehicle diagnostics. And from here, you have the best access for the mobile experience management, driver app, fleet admin app, and connected forms. You can protect your fleet with actionable alerts and reports. You have ELD compliance, paperless DVIR, IFTA, and fleet security. And of course, you can make your fuel go further with real-time idling alerts, insights into driver performance, and tools to build your EV strategy. You can have fuel, idling, and driver efficiency score, electrification planning, alerts, and reports. So there's a lot that you can do here, especially when you navigate and read through the Samsara web pages. Now, if you're interested to get more of their products, basically they offer the AI dashcams. You can connect it to your cloud with your HD cameras and computer visions. Let's click on the see all products. These are the video-based safety products that they have. The dual-facing AI dash cam, the front-facing AI dash cam, the HD camera connector. They also have the panic button, dual lens cover, driver facing lens cover, and one of the best that they offer right now are the HD video, 4 dashcam camera, and vehicle gateway. I also have one of this one, the windshield shim. It's a mount dash cams to any angled windshield and vehicle telematics. So there's a lot that you can explore here in the products in Samsara, because they also have an equipment monitoring, smart trailers, smart trailer tracking sensors, and a lot more, especially for the site visibility. They have the site gateway light, and AI overlay, right? And when you hover back to the home page, again, all you have to do, if you're interested to know more about Samsara, click on the check our process option, because to better understand your business, just follow the on-screen instructions and you would be able to have more understanding and access to the Samsara cloud platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.